Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So quickly today I want to show us how to create a YouTube channel from scratch. Like this is your first time you want to create a YouTube channel. So open your YouTube channel, and then at the top right here you will see if you don't have a Gmail account, because for you to have a YouTube channel you need to have a Gmail account. So sometimes once you open your YouTube, by your top right you're going to see sign in. That is if you don't have a Gmail account. So let me assume I don't have a Gmail account and I want to create a YouTube channel. So first of all I have to create a Gmail account. Now I have to click on my profile and then click on add account. So this is my phone, I have to verify it's mine. So allow it to load, be patient, because everything is all about being patient. Now we are here. So I want to create a new Gmail account for the first time. So I'm going to click on create account. But if I already have a Gmail account, I'm going to click on email or phone. I'm going to input my email or phone number to sign in. But since we don't have, we click on create account. Now if you are creating an account, there are two types of accounts you need to create. You either select create accounts for myself or create account to manage my business. Now creating an account for yourself is that okay, I want to be in charge of this account, I want to manage this account, I want to be the only host and only the manager. But if you are creating an account to manage my business, that means you won't be the only person having access to the account. You have to grant other people access to manage the account. But since I want to create an account for myself and myself alone, I have to click on for myself, allow it to load. Now you put your you'll be asked to input your first name and your last name. Now since I already have an account which is Udeme Ogan, that's my name, so I'm going to assume a name for this Gmail account I'm about to create. But if you are doing it on your own, you have to put your own real name. So I'm going to assume my first name here is let me say Deborah. That is my first name. And then my last name is let me say Deborah Paul or Deborah Amos. That's okay. Deborah Amos. Then you click on next. Allow it to load. Now you're going to put a birthday. So you put your correct birthday, but since this one I'm just using as an example. So my first day, let me say 3rd of we're in April, 3rd of April, let me say 1995. Okay, 1998. So you have to be 18 years old to own a Gmail account. But if you have a guidance, the guidance can know how to do it for you, whatever. So you click on year, gender. If you are female, you put female. If you are male, you put male, but I'm female. So next. Now how will you sign in? Create a Gmail address for signing into your Google account. Please, you have to make sure you go through all the instructions, read it very well. Now you have to create your own Gmail. Sometimes you might create a Gmail you want for yourself, and Gmail, maybe some other person must have taken that name. Then Google is going to automatically create a name for you. But let me say it's gonna be Deborah Amos 12 at gmail.com. Next, you see Deborah Amos 12 has already been taken. Now available is Deborah Amos 776. Okay, I will agree to that. So click next. Now we are going there. So sorry for that. So now input a password. They say create a strong password. Create a strong password with mixture of letters, numbers, and symbol. So I'm gonna hide this. So I'm gonna create a password. Okay, good. I created my password. Let it be secret. Now, would you like to add a phone number? If you don't like to add a phone number, you can skip it. But I don't want to. If you want to add a phone number, you can add it. It's very important for you to add your own phone number. Then you click on yes, I'm in. Because if another person has access to this Gmail account, then sorry, you are gonna. So I'm gonna click on skip because I don't want to add this thing. Now, review your account info. You can use this Gmail address to sign in later. Next. Thank you. So, it's very important to read the terms of service, terms and policies of Google. You understand? Because, but since, most of the time we don't really read it, I agree. I read, I don't read, I agree. But I advise you read. So when you click on next, it's loading Google services. It's loading. We are here on YouTube right now. Now, my Deborah Amos account has been created. You can see that. So, in order to create a YouTube channel, you click on the D. That's profile, that purple profile you're seeing. They click on the D and click on your channel. You don't have a YouTube channel yet. You want to create it now. It's very simple. So use YouTube as, do you want to use YouTube as Deborah Amos, or do you want to use it as something else? Okay, now if you want to use it as something else, you can cancel the Deborah and the Amos. Or if you want to use it as Deborah's TV, you can say Deborah apostrophe S, but some people won't like that. Then you put TV down. You understand? But if you want to do, maybe create a comedy channel, you can say, okay, Deborah Comedy TV. You can see. Now, by tapping create channel, you agree to YouTube terms of service. Learn more. But it's very important for you to read all those YouTube terms of service, because if you violate YouTube policy, they will kick you out. They will kick you out. So I always advise for you to read. Changes that you make here may show up across Google services with content that you create and share to people you interact with. That was your subscribers and all that. So once you are done with that, you click on create channel. My channel is loading. Congratulations, channel created. Now this is your channel. You can see where whenever you post a video, you will see under videos, you will see video. Create a playlist, you will see your channel, you will see, and about. Now this about is also important because your audience would like to know what this channel is all about. So if you want to be creating comedies or tutorial or something, you can just say you can come here, edit channel, and then add a description. So if you want to add a description, you can say, okay, my people. Oh no, let me just do it right. Sorry for that. So you can just say hello guys. This sweet voice. Welcome to Deborah Comedy TV. Here, since it's a comedy TV, here you can watch the most hilarious videos. Your happiness is our priority. You can see, as simple as that. Then you can go ahead to put your Instagram handle, your Twitter, your Facebook, and all, and then you click OK. So once you click this OK, now you can go back and then you see under about that, okay, oh, this is what you can you see that about. Hello guys, welcome to Deborah Comedy TV. Here you can watch the most hilarious videos, blah 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 blah. That's all. So guys, I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and then in my next video I'm going to create a video on how to upload a video on YouTube. Yes, I'm going to create a video on that. So thank you, and have a nice time. Bye. Subscribe.